Hello everybody, this is Marissa. I'm on real quick just to share this journal with you guys. It is a zombie theme and I created it using the digital design from Ephemoire, and it's called Assembly Required, and she's got a lot of stuff on her Etsy shop, and it has been fun doing a lot of things for her. Her name's Tracy, the owner, and so this has been probably one of my favorites. I took one of the paper images and I ended up printing it on vellum, and I like the way it really turned out. I made this book. It's kind of like a signature all by itself, but I ended up adding a little bit of glue in the end there because it kept kind of flapping out because I made this so short. I probably should have gone a little bit more in the length of it, but I like the way it turned out. Of course, have to add some trims and different types of little embellishing there for the cover. It is a little loose, so I probably should have added something else to make it sturdier, but I really like the way it looks like this. And it's about 8 inches and about 3 3/4 across. And it fits inside of a little package that I have, which now I can't find. I posted on my Instagram, sorry, that it'll be going in there. So open it up and automatically added some goodies there. Little zombie design from the digital kit. This is a sheet in itself, and it came with about 9 designs, little cards that can be used for journaling spots. Pulled out my Halloween books. Cute little zombie head. They're actually pretty cool. And just added some more pieces along the way. Little journaling spot. This right here is a little basil card, and it comes with the envelope, and so I just decided to, fussy cut the eyeball and make a little pocket there so that this can fit nicely in there. Just continued with the zombie and little creepy. This page here is a medical dictionary that I found at one of the thrift shops that I go to, and I just added a little bit of stamping, and the ink is from the oxide inks from Ranger. A little stamping. I did both sides of the page, and then these are fun little tags that I made using the pieces from the digital designs. I really like this tag. I think it's kind of funny with the eyeballs. Create a little pocket with a little ledger paper. Just a little flap there. And the nose. Bunch of little face pieces. I have a science book too that I cut some papers out of. This little round, it's a little journaling kit book that she designed, and she has it in her shop, and so I just cut it out. And she actually had a backing page to it, but I use it in a different part, and I'll show you. And little tags and little fun cutout, fussy cutting, like I said. This is a transparency sheet, or not a transparency, a tracing sheet, sorry. And I just, added my distress ink, stitched up some fun little mesh here. This is a fabric. It's from Joann's. I got it last year in the fabric section. It's literally a bolt, and I just bought half a yard and have been cutting little pieces here and there. It's a little vintage page and a little rosette, shabby roses that I used to make headbands, so I have lots of flowers left over, and I just add them here and there. I thought it'd be cute there. I like this paper because it kind of went with the color of the book and made a fun little tag with the eyeball, little creepy house. Somebody gave me the little die cut, I think in a exchange I did last year. And then just some more stamping, little tuck spots with some little tags there. Another one of those little cards. This page here, I have these large number cards. I want to say I found them at a Goodwill, and it was a huge pack, and so they're like about this size. They're like, got the dots in the front, and then so I cut it in half, and I stitched this fabric on this side and on this side and created this little book flap. So now in there is what's holding it together. And just added my green embroidery thread to hook it. This is all vintage music paper, and I kind of made it look worn. Really like the way that turned out. Added some fun stickers. Another little tag using the Digital Designs tuck spot. This I just glued it down. Here's another little card, and I used regular paper clip. Might add something extra there, but when it fits inside the envelope here, it doesn't really fit well. So I made this little envelope using some of that leftover vellum, and inside I put some of the pieces that from the design sheets, and cut them up, and I thought it'd be cute to hold them there, and then just added that there. And then that was the back side of that tracing paper. And here's the little other side of that book, and just a mini little tag for journaling. This one I left it the whole pocket and then just stitched on the side there. I made these large jumbo tags using some, I have this bug book, and it's got all these cool images, so I thought I'd make cool little tags there, like long, and then little paper clip with the brain. This is that medical dictionary paper that I just didn't want to cut up, so I thought I'd use the whole page. And then the other side of that little envelope, I created these little tuck spots there, and I still have another tag that I can't find. I gotta look for it, but here's the little pocket there, so if she wanted to, she could put something there for the person who I'm gonna mail this to. And here's another tuck spot. Oh, need to add a little trim there. So this is the other part. These are just little tags that I created a little tuck spot there and hidden. And then, of course, have to add some fabric, and I thought this color is kind of perfect for the colors of the collection. That's cute. I think I'm going to use these for Valentine's Day for my daughter, because she really, really liked them. A little tag, and you can see that Halloween page. And then just a blank green sheet that goes to cover. And then I made this little pocket, and I put more of the the designs so that they can be used and added to other things when I mail this off. So yeah, this is my little junk journal, and I hope that the person who gets it likes it, and hope you guys enjoyed it and inspired you, and you guys have a great weekend. Bye bye.